In this video, we will walk through the steps to install the Peacock app on your smart TV, how to activate your account, and how to troubleshoot common playback issues. Today, you will learn how to locate and install the app, activate your account seamlessly, troubleshoot common problems, discover best practices for a great viewing experience, and understand platform-specific notes. To get started, turn on your smart TV and connect to the internet. Navigate to your TV's app store, search for Peacock, select it, and install the app. Once finished, you can launch it from your home screen. After installing, open the Peacock app on your TV to display a unique activation code. Then, go to peacocktv.com/activate on a computer or mobile device, enter the code, and sign into your account. Your TV will then refresh automatically. For a smoother streaming experience, use a wired Ethernet connection. Keep your TV's operating system updated, close background apps, and limit other bandwidth-heavy activities on your network. Finally, remember that different platforms have specific needs. For Roku TVs, access the channel store, while for Samsung Smart TVs, look in the Smart Hub under Apps. Please note that some older Samsung models may not be supported.